Gravity is one of the most powerful forces in our solar system, shaping the very fabric of our cosmos. And when we think of gravity, we often think of Earth's. But what about the gravitational forces exerted by other planets? Specifically, what about Jupiter, the gas giant that dominates our solar system? Its massive size and enormous mass make it a gravitational powerhouse. But could its gravity actually pose a threat to our trusty sidekick, the Moon? Jupiter's gravity is a force to be reckoned with, and its effects on the Moon are more significant than you might think. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for Jupiter's gravity to destabilize our Moon's orbit. Imagine if the Moon's orbit started to decay, slowly but surely getting closer to Earth until it's too close for comfort. The consequences would be catastrophic, and it's a scenario that has scientists scratching their heads. The gas giant's massive size and mass cause a slight perturbation in the Moon's orbit, making it wobble ever so slightly. But what if Jupiter's gravity were to increase in strength, or the Moon's orbit were to become more unstable? The results could be disastrous, and it's a scenario that's not entirely impossible. We're lucky that Jupiter is far enough away from the Moon that its gravitational influence is relatively weak, but it's still a force that must be reckoned with. As the most massive planet in our solar system, Jupiter's gravity dominates the orbits of many celestial bodies, including asteroids, comets, and even other planets. At its core, gravity is the result of mass and energy warping the fabric of space-time. But how it interacts with different celestial bodies is still an area of active research. The way Jupiter's gravity influences the Moon is a perfect example of this. The Moon's orbit is affected by a complex interplay of gravitational forces, including those from Earth, the Sun, and even the other planets in our solar system. But Jupiter's gravity is the most significant, and understanding its effects is crucial if we want to ensure the long-term stability of the Moon's orbit. By studying the gravitational interactions between Jupiter and the Moon, scientists can gain valuable insights into the fundamental laws of gravity. This knowledge can then be applied to other areas of research, from the search for exoplanets to the study of black holes. So, what does the future hold for the Moon under Jupiter's gravitational influence? Will the gas giant's gravity continue to destabilize the Moon's orbit, or will some other factor come into play? The truth is, we just don't know yet. And it's a question that will require continued research and monitoring. Jupiter's gravity poses a real threat to the Moon's stability, and one that we must take seriously. By understanding the complex interplay of gravitational forces in our solar system, we can better prepare for the challenges that lie ahead. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the wild world of gravity and celestial mechanics.